coffee drop of the week is the inaudible sound of a closed door. In this walk of entrepreneurship, we've all heard this sound universally. It is a sound that comes unexpectedly and is so undesirable. The sound that I'm referring to is the sound of a closed door, which usually comes at the heels of a great idea, a great concept, a great business model. However, when you present it to someone, to an organization, maybe to a partner, it gets rejected on the spot. This tends to halt all your plans and all your aspirations. But I'm here to tell you that do not fall prisoner to the sound of the closed door, but rather be persistent, have discipline, believe in God and in your own potential to strive and to reach success at your own pace. Because you will no longer hear the sound of a closed door, but rather hear the applauses of those that are behind an open door. Be persistent, believe in yourself, strive, and you will achieve what your heart desires. Have a great week.